Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're at 37 Kelly Way in Valparaiso, Florida. You are going to have 960 square feet, but I did just want to show you, you're kind of at this bend right here. So it's not a full cul-de-sac, but you are in this comfortable little nook over here for some nice privacy. This is going to be a screened-in garage, which I will show you guys momentarily. But again, this is 960 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. And I think that this truly just has so much charm here. But before we get into any other features, I do want to mention the roof was replaced in 2023. The HVAC unit is also a 2023. And the water heater is a 2017. So very nice age history on those appliances and the roof. You do have some nice LVP flooring through this bottom level, and then upstairs is going to be carpeted. But here, as I just showed you, this is going to be the living room area, which is going to be separated from the kitchen and dining that we're walking to now. You definitely have enough room. You can see the light fixtures a little bit lower. So this is absolutely large enough to house a little breakfast table or a breakfast nook if you would like. And then you have the L shape here for your counter space that looks out into the living room there. Plenty of cabinetry and storage in this kitchen. You can see you've got your stainless steel sink, your electric stovetop and oven, stainless steel, fridge and freezer right there. And you actually do get a pantry in this kitchen. There you go. It is going to be wire shelving, but if you're not a fan of that, it's easily replaceable and you can make some updates there. I love the old touches here. You could put spice cabinets there, mail, you've got your key hooks. It's just fantastic. This right here is going to be a coat closet. Again, with all of the features that you really don't think about or see in modern day homes, I honestly love them. Here's going to be your half bathroom. So it is going to be downstairs. You do have a single sink there with your overhead lighting. And then your commode is going to be back here. Very spacious actually for a half bath. And then before I take you guys upstairs, I do want to show you all the garage. So as I mentioned, the garage does have a screen enclosure. So as you can see here, it's a screen door so you can walk outside. And then this is just a traditional pull-down garage door. So if you did want a garage space, you could absolutely convert it back since the garage door is still functioning. And here, you would just have to take out the screen door there. You do have a washer and dryer hookups out here, as well as a screen door to go to your backyard. Let's give you guys a little look there. And there's your backyard. Actually quite nice. You are secluded. You do have the privacy fence back there. And depending on what you like to do, there's enough room for some gardening activities, or you could just put, honestly, maybe even a small pool. I'd have to see what if there are any restrictions against that, but that would be fun. Okay, let's take you guys upstairs. Upstairs, we're going to have our 2 bedrooms as well as our full bathroom. So here we are coming up the stairs. You do have a linen closet right at the top here. There we are. And then as you can see, your 2 bedrooms are split by your full bathroom. So let's go ahead and show you bedroom number 1. This, I believe, is going to be what people would utilize as their primary. You do have the nice double window looking out to the front yard. Beautiful, beautiful natural lighting in here. Like I said, carpeted floors upstairs. And then this is going to be your closet here. Wire shelving again, but also remember You could switch that out for wood shelving, fairly easy these days. And then this is bedroom number 2, single window with a backyard view. Kind of show you guys the closet. Closet is going to be pull accordion doors there. They are the wood look, just like the bedroom doors, and it is a little bit more spacious. So even though this bedroom is smaller, you do get a larger closet. And last but not least, here is your full bathroom. So it is going to be a tub shower duo. You have your commode there, and then still a single vanity with some nice vanity lighting. And those are going to be laminate floors in here. I'm sure you noticed that your air vents are on the floor. I personally love that touch because I feel like I don't know if it's an illusion all in your head, but I think you feel the cool air a little bit more immediate than you do when they're up on the ceiling. So I really honestly don't mind that. Worst that could happen is a stub toe. But again, you guys, this is 37 Kelly Way. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and 960 square feet. 2023 roof replacement, 2023 HVAC, and a 2017 hot water heater. We would love for you guys to come check this one out and make it yours.